Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to remove blank page on Google Docs. So let's start. Here I am in Google Docs. Here you can see here is one of my demo template. Now blank page can be anywhere on the document. For now I have chosen that for the three places. At the beginning of the document, at the middle of the document and at the ending of the document. Now, first to remove blank page on the beginning of the document, just click on the first part of your document and click and drag from your mouse and right click and hit delete. You can see our blank page is deleted. Also, some space over here is left, so go down and hit the backspace. So, in this way, we can remove blank page on the first part of our document. Also, if there is blank page on the middle of the document, we can do the same. Just select all the lines of the page, right click and hit delete. Yes, you can see blank page on the middle is also gone. Also, if there is blank page on the last part of your document, we can do the same. Select all the blank space, right click and just delete. So you can see I have removed blank page from the first, at the middle and also the last part of our document. So in this way we can remove blank page on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.